All right. Whew. Let's do this. Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're not going to be up at the beehives. We're going to be down here by the lake moving some hives. We're actually not going to move the hives. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do what I've heard in the comments in the past, and I'm going to move the girls from the shade up here next to the tree. But before I do that, what I'm going to have to do is start cleaning some of this area out. So we don't have to get the gear on or anything like that, but we are going to go ahead and get started and get this area cleaned out so that we can bring those hives up front and stop the small hive beetle problem. All right, cut. Hey, what's going on? Now I'm down here filming a video. Yeah, I know, I've got to have another one filmed for next week. I'm just going to move the hives down here, but I'll tell you what, it's kind of creepy. There's been some crazy stuff going on here. It's been getting really weird around here at nighttime. And this morning when I woke up, there were a lot of cars down at the other end of the street, a lot of police cars and emergency vehicles, and it was all taped off. I saw a news van go by. But anyways, I'll tell you about it later. Let me get the opening of this video filmed, and then I'll give you a buzz. Yeah, I'll fill you in. All right, bye. Okay. Where was I? All right, clean this out. So the first thing I want to do is I just want to level some of this stuff out and get some of this. Now what's this? Oh, gone it. Wood. What the heck is this? I'm just gonna go eat lunch. I'll finish this later. Oh, not a whole lot. Nah, I'm not done yet. I got frustrated. A lot of things have been going wrong today. I get down there, I'm trying to chop some brush. The machete's not cutting like I wanted it to, and doggone it, that thing used to be sharp. I need to sharpen it before I go down and do that. I started digging. I run into a piece of board. I've had a lot in my mind. It's getting weird around here. Let me just tell you. So this morning when I woke up and went out to get the newspaper, there was a bunch of cops, news vans, the whole 9 yards. Channel 2 went by there. They've got it all cordoned off. There's something going on at the other end of the lake. I can't get close enough to find out. I asked the neighbor, and he said he didn't know. He said he heard it had something to do with a boat, but they won't let anybody else get close enough to find out what's happening. Let me just tell you that ever since they opened that camp across the lake again this year, a lot of crazy stuff has been happening. I mean, a lot of crazy stuff. You know, I mean, I don't know whether you know this or not. When I bought this house, they gave me like a disclosure. I guess they had to tell you if there's something going on. And they said that something happened on this lake back in the 80s, but I don't know what that something was. They wouldn't disclose it because it didn't happen on the property where I bought my house. But I tell you what, since they opened that camp on the other side of the lake a month ago, all kinds of crazy stuff has been happening. I mean, not only the noise. I mean, there's kids partying on the shore over there at all hours of the night, having bonfires and going on and on. Just a lot of weird stuff happening. I always feel like I'm being watched when I'm outside. It's just really eerie. Just I can't explain it. It's just strange. No, nobody said anything about it. And there's someone who lives on the other side of the lake, right next to the camp, right where you pull in. And you know, they all of a sudden were very, very hush-hush. They just put their house on the market. They sold it and they left. Their house sold quick. I mean, it sold within about a week. But yeah, I tell you, something weird's happening, man. They bailed. And they were here back in the 80s. I would ask them, but they're gone. You know. That's weird. I'm telling you, something strange is going on here. I got a lady boy I make video. I'll keep an eye on the news if I see something. I'll call it. All right. Well, when you drop a new video, I'll tune in and check it out. Make sure to tune in and check mine out. I'm moving the beehives. Yeah, well, you know, I mean, I don't think I'm gonna get it done today. I've got to move the beehives from the back part of the lake up to the front part of the lake. It's gonna be a lot of work, but I'm gonna go out and try to get it finished up today. If I don't, I'll just finish it later. But anyways, I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. Yeah, bye. we have bees all the way over here. The world. All right. I'm going to leave off. Let me turn this on. All right. So, first thing I need to do is I need to level this out. And then we found a piece of wood in here, which is really. I was going to say I thought I found a piece of wood in here. I thought we found a piece of wood in here I was going to use for the base. What in the heck? All right, well, I guess we're not using a piece of wood. I'll just have to go get some pavers. But bottom line is I'm just going to get this straightened up. This tree, I can't move the tree, but what are you going to do? All right, let me, I can get this little tree out of the way. Where's my machete? Oh, gun it. I'll bet that neighbor's dog came over and got my machete. Son of a gun. The neighbor's dog carries off gloves and shoes and everything I lay around. I can't find the doggone thing. Well, I can't pull this thing up. You know what? I'm just going to film this another day. I'm frustrated. Interruptions. I can't find my tools. I'll do this tomorrow. Honey, how's your day?
Good. Finally, everyone is where they're supposed to be. Everybody's dropped off and happy.
Fantastic. I'm gonna make myself a drink and then take a shower.
All right, you want some of the soup?
Yeah, I'll pass on the soup for now. I might have some later. I might go out and do an accidental acid treatment tonight when I get done with the shower. My video today didn't turn out too well, so I'm just going to film that another time. But if I get the OA treatment done tonight, that helps the channel and it helps the bees, so that's what I think I'm going to do. I'll see you in a few minutes. I think I might film a video.
Okay. Well, you look cute.
I don't know if I really want to do it. Take a look. It's kind of quiet. Those kids on the lake aren't making any racket tonight. No, it's awful wet. Turn the alarm on. Call it a night. I'll film tomorrow. I'll do the OA treatment in the afternoon. Just do it multiple times. I did. It's live.
Alarm on. Home.
Holy cow! Honey, you gotta come see this. There's cops all over the place on the other side of the lake. What the heck's going on over there? Sweetie, you need to come look at this. This is nuts. So I was going to do this Easy Bait Pro, this oxalic acid treatment tonight, but it's been getting creepy around here tonight, to be honest with you, and I just don't want to come out and deal with it. So, this inside the hive, I drilled some holes in there last year, and then we're going to go ahead and fumigate these grills. I've got an extension cord. I'm just going to put this little hole right here. A small hole, I don't know whether you can see it or not. There's a small hole in there. But looks like the bees have closed it up with propolis. Let me go get a drill. I'll be right back.
The red hive triggers this, the green, the blue, the purple hive triggers the stingometer.
machete back. Son of a gun. What happened here? Oh well, machete back. All right, got my drill and the dog brought my machete back. Son of a gun. All right, let's drill this thing out. Hey, honey, come here a minute. Take a look at this. This is the strangest thing in the world. There's something back here in the trees. I don't know what it is.
What are you looking at?
Do you see something back there in the trees? Right back in there. Or no, wait. No, maybe you know what? It was back in here.
Maybe there.
Oh, no, let me zoom in. Back there, right there. You see that? The heck is that? You see it there?
I see you kind of.
Let's see.